So we have this situation. We have to integrate x square by bracket a plus bx whole square. Now look at this. Again, you know that we don't have any direct formula for this. So we have to rely on substitution. And we used to take that thing as z which appears ugly to us. So if you'll observe this question, hopefully you will feel that this thing is ugly. Correct? So can we take that thing as z, so a plus bx. Now let's do the differentiation both side. So it is dz by dx equals b. Okay, so can I write z as dz by b is equal to dx? Now do the appropriate replacements. So look at this, we have problem with this x square. So how we will get rid of this x square? Look at here. So create situation of x from here. Can I write z minus a by b as x? We have to do square. So this is square. Now what we have to do? We have to replace x square is done. Now we have to replace this dx. So who is this dx? Dx is dz by b. Now we have to replace this function. So who is this? This is z square. Okay. So we have done the replacement properly. Okay. So the point is, now you know that the parameter in which we are applying integration is z. So everything except z is constant. Now we will take constant outside. So you know that this b is a constant. So here that is b square. Here we have b. So we have b cube waiting outside. So this b cube is outside. Now you have z minus a whole square in the numerator. So can I write a square plus b square minus 2az upon z square dz. Now, you know that while dealing with integration, if we have addition and subtraction, we can segregate our questions. Okay. Now, the point is we have z square by z square dz. Now, we have plus integration of a square by z square dz minus 2a, we will do that, 2az by z square dz. Okay, we have to put everything in the bracket so that we can do the proper simplification. Okay, so look at the point. So we have 1 by b cube. Now integration of dz, then plus a square is a constant, so outside z to the power minus 2 dz. Then we have minus 2a is a constant, z gone, so it is dz by z. Now we did proper simplification. Now we are good to go with the final answer. So b cube, then we have integration of z. So integration of 1, sorry. So it is z. Now plus it is a square, and then it is z to the power minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. Okay, minus 2 plus 1. Now this thing is done. Now we have next component as minus 2a. Integration of 1 by z is log z. Okay, and then we have to introduce our integrating constant c. Now let's write down the final answer. in more simplified way. So it is 1 by b cube. You know that you have to replace z. So who is your z? Ax plus bx. So it is a plus bx. Done. Now you have minus 2 plus 1 on the denominator, so it will become minus. So negative of a square by z. So who is z? Z is a plus bx plus minus 2a log a plus bx, and then bracket close, and then integrating constant c. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable and you can handle similar situations. Okay.